met and how come this project is successful today. Yes. So I was doing some tour in the Brazil lane where I met Aisha and with his friends, Kisley. Or I start to approach them and say, oh, I wanted to take them to a tour, just show them Jamestown and a big history about the community. It's like they wanted to say no, but right now they say, oh, they don't have money to pay me. I say, oh, no. So that I'm going to do is for free. But only if in another time you can come and support the school that I have. You say, oh, okay, then let's go. So they join me, we do the tour in Jamestown, and after we visit the school. So the relationship starts from there. Then they get to know the school. This is not where the school is, but formally it's at the beach, where the fishing community. So most children that you see over here are fisher folk, and I grab them from the beach. 50 of them are orphans, and 100 of them that normally comes here, 150 that normally comes here as maybe single parents that don't have another aunt to help. So from there was a demolition at the school, and the school was go down. Then we don't have a place to store. I met one, Mr. Evans, who owns this place, and we have a talk, and he said, oh no, you can use this place and start teaching the children, but it's not in a good shape. And we also don't have money to put it in a good shape. So our relationship with Aisha and Africa and everything, today is just a successful day for us to see this beautiful, or maybe this beautiful place, a classroom, 6 classrooms, some small office that I myself, I can sit to do my expertise. So this is how we met, and today is a very great day for everyone to witness this in the social media, diaspora, everyone. And also again, I want to say a very big thank you to all the people that donated to support this project, and also where they get the money to support the project, God will put his hand over there to put more funds in their job, everything that they do. I say thank you to everyone, and you are welcome to GBEKEBII School. Now, the place is changed.
So, hi guys, you heard the story about how me and Sammy met, and it was really, really amazing because when he said, I said, oh, you know me, I'm Ghanaian and Nigerian, I'm not giving nobody any money for the tour. I'll find my own way and find where I need to go. But when he did the tour, I was so moved, and I was kind of taken aback that where our fishermen are fishing, they're closing it down and selling it away. So I was like, this is something that's really sad for me to see, because Jamestown, the Ghana people are the heartbeat of Accra. They're the heartbeat. Yeah. This is their land. So why is their land not being free for them? So that kind of just kind of sparked something in my mind. When he showed me the school, and just knowingly, we have Africa Everything, which is based on education work and doing work in the community and empowering education-based institution. At the time when we came, we didn't have enough money in our things to be able to do any big work in here. So we just really have been doing like smaller things, food supplies. We've been working for getting, you know, like food, little things. But I knew that this was a project that I wanted to do to pick this place up and make it a better place for the teachers, for the students, because 150 kids in here is too many, number one. But just to have a safer space where they can learn without water falling on their head, because the roof was, there was just a roof there, and it had holes in it. So just to have somewhere where they can learn, because I know that something that's very important to me when I was growing up was my education. That's why I am the woman I am today. So Africa Everything is really a volunteer-based organization that is really led by creatives. So it's creatives getting together to create change in West Africa. And this is a heartbeat of what I love and what I want to do. I want to do more. I would love to even maybe get the other side and we do something and get it bigger, make it bigger and bigger, and make it even more different. But one step at a time, one night at a time. And I really just want to thank the team that's here. Could you guys come up? That came, because just to have people here, I do a lot of projects in different West African countries, but to have people that are here doing the project with me was really, really a good thing for me to do because it kind of gave support with everything. So just meet some of the team. It's a huge team, but they don't have to get money to fly. They rather donate their money to Jamestown. So I just want to really just officially thank Connell, who's been with me for a couple of years now, right? I mean, it's been like 3 years now? Yeah. It's 3 years now. He's been coming to the fundraisers. First, just started coming to the fundraisers to play for a friend of mine, and then learned about the charity and has become a big part of it. And making sure that things are getting done and making sure that we're following through with our goals and missions. Chooks, who leads stuff in Ghana. Chooks, talk a little bit about the work you do here in Ghana.
It's not running from somewhere to somewhere, like it's lost. It involves a lot. All that I would say is thank you, Africa, everything. And may the good Lord bless you for making this a successful, and then we're all happy with it. At least when it rains, we know we're not come out fetching water from. So we thank everybody.
Yes.
We thank the teams.
Yeah.
For their support and then allowing us to do this work. Take them and more. What's going on?
And during the time of me knowing Connell, he met his boo. And his boo has become a big part. Jazz has become a huge part of the process. She actually drew the mural that's outside of the thing and literally donating her time, her money, her efforts to making sure the kids are empowered. You know, people like this are hard to find because doing this work we're not getting paid for it. It's tireless work. And to have people that really genuinely give back and do things. Even my friend is here, Patricia. She just gave. We're gonna have fans in here now. We've got the fans in here. And we're gonna have light because there's no light in here. So just softly, we're gonna make things happen and get things done. I just want to say thank you for Jamestown for taking us in and helping you in moving this process along because it's not easy. And when our kids are growing up, we have to have safe spaces. It's very important for a safe space to learn. So also, elders, make sure that the community is bringing their kids here, that they're learning, they're being a part of the process because education is very important. No matter how little, you have to get it. So it also takes a village. So you all have to also take care of this space. It's not just going to be us. It takes a village. There's nobody that can do anything by themselves. If we work together, we'll make sure this place gets bigger, better, and continues to stay nice when people come through. And now it's even a place people come take pictures, be a part of it because it looks so attractive, it's appealing. So I'm really thankful. I'm happy that the kids have a safe space to learn. That's my own spiel. Namaisha, Africa everything, more to come.
Personally, this is a dream. I mean, this is a dream come true. Yes, we have dreamt about this for a while, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to everyone and anyone who gave a dime, who spent his time, anything at all that someone did for this dream to come true. We are really, really grateful. I mean, the best thing you can give a student or a teacher is a conducive environment to learn. You know, so this is a plus for us. So I mean, everything I would say is that thank you. We love you guys so much.
For your happiness. Jamestown, take your beat. Jamestown, take your beat. Oh, yeah. Oh, Pasata.
Hey.
Okay, so if I say Africa, I say everything. Africa.